Hello friends, in this video we will talk about stratified random sampling. In a stratified random sample, we first classify the population into groups of similar individuals called strata and then randomly select individuals from each stratum to construct our sample. Why might we want to do this? This could be done so as to have representation from different groups. For example, suppose you want to get the average income of households in your state. And suppose your state has 70% rural households and 30% urban households. So you may want to have the same proportion in your sample as well. Suppose you plan to have 1000 households in your sample. In this case, you can have 700 households to be from rural areas and 300 households to be from urban areas to maintain the same proportion as your population. To do this, you can divide your data into two strata, rural and urban, and then select the required number of households randomly from each stratum. One key advantage of stratified random sampling is that it can make sure that you have diversity in your sample. This can be particularly helpful when there are different kinds of groups in your population and these groups are likely to differ in the outcome that you are studying. It is possible that when you're selecting your sample randomly from the entire population, you may not get any representation from one of the groups. Continuing our example, it's possible that in your sample of 1000 households, you may not have any urban households at all. This can skew your results one way or the other, so stratification is a way to make sure that you have representation from different kinds of groups which are likely to differ in the outcome, which is in this case the household income that you're interested in.